Unleash your potential, the power of goals. Life's a journey, right? But where are you headed? Without a destination, you're just drifting. Goals are your compass, your North Star. They give your life direction, purpose. What do you crave? What fires you up? Those are your goals calling. Don't ignore them. Embrace them. Goals transform wishing into doing. They take you from dreaming to achieving. It's about taking control, stepping up, and creating the life you desire. No more settling, no more excuses. You're capable of amazing things. Goals are the key. Think about it. Every success story started with a goal. Every champion, every innovator, they dared to dream and then they acted. They set their sights high and went for it. Now it's your turn. You have that same power within you. This isn't about limitations. It's about possibilities. It's about unlocking your potential and living a life filled with passion and fulfillment. Are you ready? Let's get started. Smart goals. Your blueprint for success. Setting goals is powerful, but not all goals are created equal. We're talking about SMART goals. This isn't just about dreaming big. It's about creating a plan, a roadmap to success. Specific, no fuzzy desires here. Get clear, get focused. I want to be healthier is too vague. I will run a 5K in 3 months. Now you're talking. Measurable? How will you track your progress? I want to save more doesn't cut it. I will save $500 each month. That's measurable progress. Achievable? Challenge yourself, yes, but stay grounded. I will become a millionaire tomorrow is a fantasy. I will increase my income by 10% this year. Now that's a goal you can reach for. Relevant. Does this goal truly matter to you? It's got to align with your values, your dreams. Don't chase someone else's definition of success. This is your life, your journey. Time-bound deadlines create urgency. Focus. I will write a book could take forever. I will finish the first draft of my book in 6 months. Now you're cooking. Talents. Go out there and make it happen. Section 4. Real-world triumphs, SMART goals in action. Let's bring those SMART goals to life with some inspiring examples. Imagine Sarah, who dreams of running a marathon. She sets a SMART goal. I will run the New York City Marathon in 12 months. She maps out a training schedule, gradually increasing her mileage each week. She joins a running club for support and accountability. She tracks her progress meticulously, celebrating each milestone. And guess what? Sarah crosses that finish line, a testament to the power of SMART goals. Or consider John, who yearns to start his own business. His SMART goal. I will launch my online store within 6 months. He dedicates evenings and weekends to building his website, sourcing products, and developing his marketing strategy. He seeks guidance from mentors and networks with other entrepreneurs. 6 months later, his online store is open for business. John's hard work and strategic planning have paid off. These are just 2 examples of countless success stories fueled by SMART goals. When you combine ambition with a clear plan of action, the possibilities are limitless. Section 5. Stay hungry. Stay focused. Achieving your dreams. Set SMART goals. Unleash commitment and action. Shift from dreaming to doing. Create a vision board. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals. Visualize success. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals. Celebrate your wins. Every step forward deserves acknowledgement. Embrace the journey. Start today.